as a woman, you might be with a man and you have kids with this man, right? You have kids with them. And the man, and I'm speaking for cats in the world, right? He cheats on you. He cheats on you, and he sleeps with one of your friends or somebody you know. And you just so sick of him. You so tired of him. He broke your heart. You know what I'm saying? You forgive him. He cheats on you again. Oh, that's the last straw. I forgave him once. He cheated on me again with somebody else. It's over with. I'm moving on. You meet somebody else. You got these kids with you. You got 2 kids, right? For example, you got 2 kids with the man. You go into somebody else. You meet this cat. He's a good brother. He's amazing. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? He's just like everything you ever thought of. He'll never do that to you. Oh, never. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Mind you, he has a kid too with another woman, right? So you're with him. You know, just everything's going great, and your baby father, he loves you still, by the way. He's just like, I miss her and all this. And then you're like, well, you got to talk to him now. You're like, damn. So you got to talk to this cat. So now he's with her and they having a good time. And, 2 years into the relationship, he cheats on her too. Oh, man. Wow. He's with somebody. He cheats on somebody. He ain't shit either. He ain't shit. And guess what? Because you gave the cat 2 chances last time, he only gets 1 chance. Right. Mind you, you got a kid with him too. You got 2 baby fathers, right? So now you broke up with him. Now you're in those streets again. You go give yourself a little whole party because that's what women do. You know what I'm saying? And this is not the battle women, but it's just the reality of my society. Yeah. So now you go in there, you give yourself a little whole phase. A couple brothers knock you down, and then you meet somebody. That's a good man. I like this dude. My kids is a little older now. They about 6 and 7 years old, whatever. And this is the guy. He got 2 baby mamas. And he got 2 baby. You got 2 baby fathers. Yeah. He got 2 baby mothers.
Oh, he got 2 baby mamas.
Yeah. He got 2 baby mamas.
Yeah.
You got 2 baby fathers. So this must be the guy. He's tired of with the cheating he did on his baby mamas. You tired of getting cheated on.
He understands me.
He understands me. So we get together. Damn, he cheated on you too. Damn. But guess what? You don't want 3 baby fathers. You just stay with this. You duke it out with him. Yeah. He's the one. He's like, you know what? You something else, but we're gonna be together because we love each other. We got an apartment together or a house together, whatever. And he cheats on you again. He's like, I can't deal with this. Right. And now you break up with him. And this is real stories. You break up with him, and you go get in your bag. You just focus your money on. You focus your life on your career now. Yeah. All your life is about your career and get your money. You go get the bag. You run your money up. You get your money up 5 years, 6 years later. You get the money up, and now you like, damn, why you in a relationship? Oh, these niggas ain't shit. These niggas ain't this, and that. Mind you, they all got a new relationship, thriving. Damn. In their relationships. That's crazy. That eats at a woman's soul, bro. Yeah. That eats a woman's soul, and it's like, damn. No, I'm not saying some men ain't shit. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? But some men they go get better without you. Right. You know what I'm saying? A woman is rich and lonely. Right. And her kids have better times at their father's house with all them other kids he got.
That's crazy.
You get what I'm saying?
That's like a hell of a point you just made.
Yeah, so this lifestyle of recycling a man that you think is the next best thing is false. Yeah. It's a lie. Yeah. And listen, your oppressor wants you to believe it as such. Because you're getting checks from them. You're getting checks from the oppressed. They're not doing so great. They got to go find a woman who's doing amazing just to survive. Right. You get what I'm saying? You getting your checks and you getting your career, your money from your career. Yeah, but you're lonely. You're lonely. That's crazy. And you're having sex with multiple men. You feel me? Yeah. You're having sex with multiple men. And that's just the reality of our life. It's not a shot at black women. I love black women. Black women is beautiful. Hispanic women is beautiful. I'm a Judite. I love Judites. I'm sorry. That's who I like. You know what I'm saying? But I also know the downfall of my sisters. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? I do. Man, if you don't have a father, if you have a father, let your father decide who you're going to marry. If you don't have a father, let the authority of a man be the person who picks your husband. Now, of course, that's just what I would like for it to happen. But if you don't have that, the man that you are with, the man that you have kids with, you never leave him, no matter what. No matter what. He could leave you. F him. don't leave him. Don't leave him.
Right.
And brother, the same way, don't ever leave that woman.
Right.
You have to stay together, no matter what. It does not matter what happens. Everything that happens is secondary to the babies that you already made.
Right.
That's right.
You get what I'm saying?
That's a heavy point.
And that's what everyone seems to forget in this whole scheme of things.
Yeah.
Your happiness is bigger than your baby's happiness. Because if your happiness is bigger than them, your daughter's going to be who you are.
Right.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And your son is going to be who you hate.
Yeah.
You get what I'm saying? You have to fight through that. Work through it.